Let's also then chat with Bandyopadhyay, who is the Managing Director and CEO of Testimony Securities. He joins us with his take on what he's spotting across the markets right now. Sandeep, it's been rather volatile over the last few weeks, but we have largely been in a range of close to 200 to 300 points on the Nifty. Do you think that we'd continue to see that 6100 mark, elude us at least on a sustainable basis? I mean, we should be able to maintain above that level consistently.
Well, I think, you're absolutely right. The market has been extremely volatile. There are lots of pulls and, pushes. The US QE3 withdrawal or the news of that makes the market extremely nervous. And the pullback which we have seen over the last couple of days is predominantly due to the fact that the US Fed governor has made statements to the effect that QE3 may not be withdrawn in a hurry. I think that's very, very reassuring. Apart from the fact, there is of course the Japanese quantitative easing which is going on, and there is a significant section which believes that the effect of US QE3 tapering off will be to an extent offset by Japanese quantitative easing. And I think that view is gaining momentum. In fact, the data coming out from Japan suggests that. And that's an extremely positive thing to happen for the global markets, including emerging markets like India, which to a great extent depends on the risk-on mood of the markets. If there is a risk-on mood, India and emerging markets do get their share of money. If the risk-on mood is not there and there's a risk-off mood, India suffers along with other emerging markets. I think that trend is going to continue, and things are looking much better than what it was last week. On the domestic front, I think unfortunately the confusion regarding the policy measures continues. We had the Etihad deal and people were excited about it. Now I think it's in a limbo. We heard about the gas price being revised. Then there was some confusion. There was some statement yesterday, and again today there are some further statements regarding the compensation by the PSUs. So there is a lot of confusion regarding domestic policy and domestic macroeconomic factors, but the global situation is improving.